Hello guys, welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. So today we are discussing some past papers on your textbook. So here I am referring to the textbook Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Core and Extended Course Book. So here in which you can find all the core questions and also core topics and extended topics and also questions. Okay, so here total we have 4 units in which we have total 24 chapters. Okay, so first chapter or first unit contains all these 4 chapters. So review of number concepts, making sense of algebra, lines, angles and shapes, collecting, organizing and displaying data. By the end of all these chapters they have given some past paper questions. You can see here the past paper questions for unit 1, like that they have given for each unit. Like there are total 6 units, so after each unit they have given some past paper for those chapters. Okay, so today we are discussing only unit 1 past paper questions. Okay, let's see the questions and let's solve them. Then, first question is, find the highest odd number that is a factor of 60 and factor of 90. This question I have mentioned in the textbook also. They have mentioned from where they have taken this question. It is from Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics paper 11. This is a core paper. Okay, but don't think that this is for core. So always make sure extended students also should know all these things. So don't neglect the core questions. Okay, it's also very important for you. And as you all know, the non-calculator paper has started from 2025 only. So don't ignore the questions before that, but keep in mind that you will get non-calculator questions also. So here what I'm gonna do is I will be solving almost all the questions without calculator. Okay, so always when you have an IGCSE question, try to solve them without calculator. Okay, so that it will be helpful for you for paper 1 and also paper 2 for extended students. Okay, let's see this one. So here we need to find the highest odd number that is a factor of 60 and a factor of 90. So first we will write 60 and 90 as product of prime factors. You should know how to write them as a product of prime factors. I will give you a method for that. So 60, how can we split 60? Anyway you can split, like 15 and 2, 30 sorry, 15 and 4, 30 and 2, like that. You can split it anyway. 6 and 10, right? 6 times 10 is 60, so you can split the 16 anyways. I will show you here. So you can split 60 as 15 times 4. Anyway you can split. Okay, no problem for that. But you need to split them again until you reach a prime factor. Okay, so 15, how can we split 15? 15 you can split it as 3 times 5 is 15. How can we split 4? 4 you can split like 2 times 2. So you can see 3, 5, 2 and 2 are prime factors, right? Prime numbers. We can they are factors of 60, but they are prime numbers. So we will write all these numbers: 3, 5, 2 and again 2. So we'll write 60 as 3 times 5 times 2 times 2. Okay, now you can write 90 also in the same way. 90 I am splitting like, anyway you can split 9 times 10 or 3 times 30. Anyway you can split. I am splitting here 3 times 30 is 90, right? So 3, it is a prime number, so you cannot split it again. You can just split 3 times 1, 3 and 1 only. Again you can split 3 as 3 and 1. It's the same. Okay, so that's why 3 is a prime number. So how can we split 30? 30 you can split it like 3 and 10. Again 3 is a prime number. This one is a composite number, so you can just split 10 as 2 times 5. So we will write 3 times 2 times 5. Okay, so here 90 is equal to 3 times 2 times 5. Okay, So we need highest odd number, that is a factor of 60 and also a factor of 90. So just see which are the common. Common is 3, we have common. Then we have 5 is also a common. Then we have 2 is also common, right? But be very careful here, they have mentioned just odd numbers, right? So you can choose only odd numbers. If you are if you are taking 2, any number, if you are multiplying by 2, it will become an even number. Okay, so if they are just asking highest common factor, you have to take, if they are asking highest common factor of these two number, you have to take 3 times 5 times 2, because 3, 5 and 2 are common, right? Here they are not asking highest common factor, they are asking highest odd number. So it is odd number, so you cannot choose 2. So you can just take 3 and 5. So highest odd number, that is a factor of 60, is 3 times 5, that is 15. So the answer is 15. Okay, I hope it is clear. I hope why we didn't take 2. I will repeat one more time. If we are taking times 2, it will become 30, right? So any number, if you are multiplying by 2, it will become an even number. So here they have particularly mentioned it must be an odd number. That's why we are not taking 2 here.